Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for some practical Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin. Alice 啊，你有没有这个踢棉被的习惯？晚上睡觉的时候？
不会，抱紧紧。
Oh, wow, 那很好啦。You know what? I have this habit of kicking my blanket a lot when I'm sleeping, and when I wake up, sometimes it's a little too cold, sometimes I feel a little too hot. Anyways, why don't we teach people today things associated with, the blanket and other things associated with that? How about 棉被? Let's start off with that. Blanket 怎么说？
皮棍。
皮骨在痒的那种皮棍吗？
没有啦，就是棉被。
真的假的？
真的啊！那如果你听到海陆腔，你会更吓一跳。
哦，那海陆腔是什么呢？
屁股。
一个是皮骨，一个是屁股。This is very interesting. If you understand Mandarin, the word blanket in Hakka either sounds like skin and bone or it sounds like the butt. Now let's make a sentence. 天气变凉了，要换厚一点的棉被 which means the weather is getting cooler, so let's change some warmer blankets.
甜死边凉流。
甜死边凉流，凉流 that means it's getting cool.
愛溫較盤掉嘅皮骨。
愛溫較盤掉嘅皮骨。And you know what's interesting? The term blanket actually consists of the word cotton in it, whether it be Chinese or in Hakka, there's that word 棉。可是刚刚講棉被啊，皮骨嘛，對不對？那如果只是棉 cotton 的話呢？
棉。
真的嗎？就是會變棉。
對。
那我們要說純棉 pure cotton, how do you say that?
純棉。
Oh, 純棉. Okay, that means pure cotton. Let's make a sentence out of it. 这件衣服是纯棉的. This shirt is made out of 100% cotton or pure cotton.
亞涼衫。
亞涼衫。
係純棉嘅。
哦，係純棉嘅，就是它是純棉的啊。And finally, 跟棉又有關係的一個字，小時候很喜歡吃的一個東西。
棉花糖。
對 ，the cotton candy. How do you say that?
棉花糖。
哦，棉花糖。Okay. When I was little, I loved to eat cotton candy. 小時候很喜歡吃棉花糖。
世界世界。
世界世界。
董好斯棉花糖。
董好斯棉花糖。Okay. Now let's review some of these terms. 棉被 that's the blanket.
皮骨。
皮骨 or just cotton 棉。
棉。
棉。If it's pure cotton, 纯棉。
纯棉。
纯棉。And finally, the tasty, delicious cotton candy, 棉花糖。
棉花糖。
棉花糖。And there you have it. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
按字say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.